Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James here today. How are you? In this video we quickly would like to introduce the work that we are going to do. Today we have one customer with the camper van, yes, the pop-top caravan actually, and it is the Jayco Swan touring motor, which you can slide out the bed on the sides. And what we are going to do is we will firstly install some of the Anderson wiring cable from the front to the rear of the car, and then from the front of the caravan here into the DCDC charger inside the caravan. And we will check and make sure that we will correct some of the thing inside this section which belonging to the non-fitment of the proper strap for the battery. So currently the battery is the battery are fit with the handyman sized thing to block the movement, but there's no strap on the top to block the jumping movement of the battery, which is dangerous when it is moving. And we will join and connect wiring setup for the battery monitor. This is the King version the customer brought in, and we will get in one of the heavy duty kill switch to turn on and off the whole power setup from the caravan. And what else, we'll check all the wiring and make sure it will be good and right. And also we will make sure that those batteries, they are connected properly, because at this moment you can see that two of the battery, they are connect in a parallel setup, but there's only positive terminal connect, and surprisingly the negative point, they don't connect together. This battery, the negative point left free with the cover right on the top of the terminal. Only the terminal on the other battery actually connect to the negative connection for the lot. So it looks like someone haven't done this one a few times in the past, so it make it looks like that. Anyway, we will fix it up. And inside the car, which is the Ford Ranger 2019-20, we actually will have the customer to fit in the dash camera setup that they brought in, like this, the 24/7 one. Okay, so that's quickly introducing about the work that we are going to do, and we will jump on the works right away, and we'll see you on the new video reviewing the finish of the work at the end. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.